Welcome back to Poetry and Politics.
People, me telling you, say a loophole in the system, you know. And it would appear as if we are going to see a repetition of certain incidents again. So, Vybz Cartel walked away from his conviction, right? And it's obvious. I spoke of the hole in the system. It's obvious that that case was a hell of a balloon and nothing but a disgrace on the Jamaican judicial system. We know the history of that. Then Movada's son walked away too. Same fashion. No. All energy is being directed towards the freedom of the original front teeth, gold teeth, gun pan teeth, Dan Gagan. No. People start ball for the freedom of Ninja Man. And a lot of social media people, because this is what I notice about people on social media, you know, it's just like how Jamaicans are on the street, you know, where they favor the criminals and not the good law-abiding citizens in Jamaica. It's the same thing on social media. They bring the same thing on social media. Fight for nothing but unlawfulness. And everything that happened, just they say it is injustice. It is injustice for popular dancehall artists to be arrested for committing heinous crimes. Because no matter the crime that a famous dancehall artist commits, he must be still on the street walking around, and he must not be arrested, and he must not be convicted. So now, I guess Ninja Man need to also sign his life away. Like Vybz Cartel and the rest of them. Ninja Man a itch for sign the thing why him not boss yet. Cause now a lot of social media people now are talking about the freedom of Ninja Man. So this is going to be another case that will go down in Jamaican's judicial history. Ninja Man freed. Headline: Ninja Man freed. No. Take off the laugh off of my face. Vybz Cartel should have never been released from prison. Same thing with Movada's son. All glitches in the judicial system. If you look at the cases. Yeah, detective, me not fool. Ex-detective, me not fool. Me see case. We know a good case. Ninja Man. Alright. I am not too privy of the Ninja Man case. I could have been. Unless we call some police and find out how the thing they go. You know, he was convicted by Michael Phipps. I'm going to tell you something. Once Michael Phipps convict Ninja Man, trust me. Trust me. Him unlucky. Me I tell you that. A long time Ninja Man I get trouble still. Ninja Man is a man who don't listen and him not hear. If you're an old man. But I know Ninja Man personally, you know, I spoke with him on several occasions. And to me, Ninja Man is just a joker still. But I know Ninja Man is capable of doing things too. Because he loves gun thing. And then again, him have the original front teeth, gold teeth, gun. But throughout the years, Ninja Man has never been convicted before. And now he's convicted. And doing some time in prison. And now the ninja want to come out. So, well, everybody want to come out of prison. So now Ninja, I guess that's the reason why you and Vybz Cartel quashed the whole thing that was going on between him. Because everything is being squashed nowadays. The beef with him and Movada's squash. Movada's son is out. Now everybody a jump to Vybz Cartel. Now dancehall change. I know, yes or no, dancehall nice. But I not just dance all nice in a prison nice. Because it seems as if since Vibes Cartel free, you just open a door for the whole Jamaica to think that they can appeal and win their cases. Or everybody will win appeal now. And like I have said before, it would appear as if Vibes Cartel has found the back door. As Vibes Cartel has found the Trojan horse into the Jamaican judicial system, wherein anybody will jump on a horse, they can be set free. But me know it costs. Ninja, it all costs you. Maybe dearly too. So everybody will lobby for Ninja now, for Ninja to be set free. But I am not one blogger who are going to lobby against any criminal conviction. Listen, nobody jump on my case now. I'm not afraid of nobody. But this is the thing. This is the thing. A lot of people have been convicted innocently. I know that. And not everybody there in prison were convicted justly. People tell lie on people. I have investigated case already where the report was nothing but lie, and I found that out. I carried out my investigation and I found that was a lie. That the whole evidence, the whole statement, everything that the person gave was a lie. It was just people that carry feelings for people. And I wrote a recommendation on the file and sent it to the prosecution. I did not charge the person. I charged the person because I received a report. But what I did is wrote a report and added to the file, educating the prosecutor of my investigation into the matter and where it led. That I have reasons to believe that the report has been fabricated. A lot of detectives don't know if to do these things. They just collect a statement and when they investigate. Because a man can report a shooting and nobody no hear one gunshot fire. It weird down. If a man come a station and see somebody shoot at them and nobody in the area hear one gunshot, or even the police at station hear one gunshot fire. Because most time every shot fire in the Seaview Gardens, we could hear a gunshot. You understand? So people tell lie on people. But I am against no conviction. Prove the lie. I am going to wonder now. What will be? I am looking out for it. What would be the breach of Ninja Man's constitutional rights for him to get away? What would be the evidence? Because this is what is happening, people. Whenever somebody appeal a case, the witnesses has to be brought back before the court. And if the witnesses does not turn up, then by chance of the witnesses not turning up, then the person might be able to get away because the witness is not there to give evidence. Sometimes the witnesses are dead and they hardly use paper trial. That is the case. So let me see what story they're going to come up with to free Ninja Man now. Because obviously, when you look at the court transcript in the Ninja Man case, a straightforward conviction that there was no breach of his constitutional rights. Well, let us see. Let us see what will happen now. Because everybody is balling for Ninja Man's freedom. I want thing with me not ball for nobody freedom. Like that. Every day I talk to Free Chucky Brown, I am not stop saying Free Chucky Brown. Because I know what was handed down to Chucky Brown. I know so Chucky Brown was tricked and played and taken advantage of by Indicom. Just because him called some big people name. But I understand so Chucky Brown never go to prison if he commit certain things. Chucky go to prison can open him out and call some name. Say some things what not that he was not supposed to say. That is the only thing. But what you think, people? Free Ninja Man? I can't free Ninja Man. The Court of Appeal are going to free him. Because that seems to be the norm. That seems to be the norm nowadays, that Court of Appeal are free everybody. Everybody run to Court of Appeal nowadays. Who can afford to go to Court of Appeal? The justice system is shanked. Especially at the Court of Appeal level. Because that is where the big money is. That is where the big money is. I tell you that.